I'm Dean Nandini. என்னோட பேர் வந்து ஆல்வின் ராஜ்.
என் பேர் வந்து ரேவதி.
I'm Meena 7B. அவங்க டிக்ஷனரி கொடுத்தாங்க. அதை பார்த்து படிச்சு பேப்பர்லாம் படிக்கும் போதுல ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு. அது எனக்கு ஏன் பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னா அங்க நிறைய கம்ப்யூட்டர் இருக்கறதெல்லாம் சொல்லி தராங்க. நாங்க வந்து பெயிண்டிங்ஸ்லாம் பண்றோம். அதனால எனக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு.
எல்லாருடைய வாழ்க்கையிலயும் தீபம் வந்து ஒரு ஒளியை வந்து ஏத்தி வைக்குது.
The idea for Deepam came about 18 months or close to 2 years. We run together. We have a running group in the mornings. We run and we have been doing that for a while. After that, we sit and talk after the runs and in terms of what are some of the things that we can do. Most of the folks who are in the running group are all into computers, and computers are picking up in India, but there's a wide chasm in terms of people who have access to computers and people who do not. So that's how the idea started.
Teaching has always been a passion for me from the school days and the college days. We always used to teach my friends and my neighbors around my house. So when Ram and I talked about Deepam after a run, morning run in 2008, we decided to go ahead and take our natural passion to teach kids to take to the children and the less privileged children in Chennai.
We formed a group. It started out as a Google group, mainly driven by the runners who were part of the team, and it slowly grew from there.
When we started at Deepam, the initial set of volunteers were friends of Ram and me, but soon word spread out and volunteers brought in their friends into the group and the movement started spreading virally.
And KK and a few others have been instrumental in terms of giving it a shape and getting runners and non-runners, many folks with computer background, be part of this team.
Mainly we have brought these laptops into the picture. Usually what happens is kids are so excited about using laptops, and even they are so happy to just touch the laptop. Mainly we use laptops to deliver the curriculum for the computers because there is a problem with the center. Mainly there is no electricity. So laptops we can get it charged and get it working here.
கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல வந்து நாங்க பவர் பாயிண்ட் எப்படி பண்றது, பெயிண்டிங்ஸ், ரைட் எப்படி பண்றது எல்லாம் கத்து கொடுத்தாங்க. எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருந்தது.
One of the days when we were teaching PowerPoint to the students, a student identified that it did not have a clip art file in the PowerPoint, which is basically it did not have some pictures in the computer to include in the PowerPoint. So immediately the kid, he just figured out that the computer had a camera and he can take a picture of himself using the computer and use the picture in the computer. So that was a moment of brilliance that really astounded all the volunteers who were present on that day.
We do believe kids having access to information, kids having access to computers and internet will make a huge difference in their life.
Last Independence Day we started a program called Take Home a PC. We identified kids who were quite deserving, who were brilliant and who were motivated to excel in their lives. So we tried to help them by giving them a PC which would aid them in their own life, be it in studying or be it in realizing their dreams. The volunteer distribution in Deepam, we have doctors, we have engineers, we have successful entrepreneurs, we have people from different facets of life, we have even students.
I and Anu, we all come from a business people, as in I run a startup and she has her own business.
I run a company in Chennai for the past 2 years.
When I joined Deepam, at that time I was working in Infosys.
I am an investment banker by profession, and I work with Deepam during the weekends.
What we found is actually we can dedicate our time during the weekend.
During the weekends, we go to the slums of Chennai and we teach computers and English to the children.
But also it involves, we also have to make some preparations for the class during the week as well.
Each one of them is, quite accomplished in their life. But like others, for me, it's like I have accomplished something in life. But what if I help someone else accomplishing their dreams?
It's about giving back in a small way that all of us could contribute, because all of us have been very, fortunate into all the skills that we have or all the education that we have had, and what can we do to give back in a small way.
I read an article about Deepam and I remember calling KK. Since then it's been a wonderful, a very gratifying experience working with the children here.
Initially, I was under the impression that we are teaching them, but it so turns out that now I learn from the kids, and some of the volunteers have expressed the same thing as well.
Usually we meet the kids once in a week, and it's actually great to see the kids relate to and remember things that we taught a week before or even a month ago. So that gives me the greatest inspiration.
So I actually have fun when I come to class, and I enjoy doing the class. So, I mean, somebody else might get the same fun out of going to a party or something.
This girl who has been exceptional. In fact, each time I meet this girl, I get energized. In the conditions in which she is currently in, the kind of flexibility that she shows, the kind of learning skills that she has, even with the limited facilities, I just wonder what if she has access to more stuff. We talk about life skills, and there are a lot of life skills that now I can learn from this particular girl.
I think that one of the greatest understanding that has come from this entire exercise is that these children have tremendous potential, and given the opportunity, I think they can excel and they can do fantastically well, just as much as children from the affluent